guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a fun video. I'm going to be sharing with you some things that you really don't think about cleaning but need it the most. So if you're interested, keep watching. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share so many things: lifestyle, home, DIY, and so much more. If that interests you, don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I upload a video. And let's get started on these things that need to get cleaned. Starting with your front door knobs. A lot of times you forget about the front door, but that's a knob lots of people and strangers touch, so you may not think about it, but always get your front door knobs. Since we're talking about knobs, don't forget your kitchen knobs, your cabinet knobs, because they get touched quite often. And don't forget about your interior door knobs on both sides of the doors. They're touched quite often, especially if you have contractors in and out your house and guests inside and guest bathrooms. Make sure to get those doorknobs. So let's talk about handles. Don't forget your toilet handles, because again, if guests come in and use your bathroom, they're going to flush the toilet, so don't forget to disinfect your toilet handles. And speaking of handles, don't forget your car door handles. A lot of times we don't even think about getting our car door handles because we clean the inside of the car, but we forget about that outside. To disinfect those knobs a lot of times because our hands are touching them constantly. Don't forget about your faucet handles, because we use this all the time and germs build up. And any type of buttons you have on your faucets, because we touch those all the time and germs definitely can spread. And don't forget those bathroom sink handles as well, because we touch those, our guests touch those, and you want to make sure to get those germs so that we're not spreading and we're killing those germs. Now, how about those TV remotes? Sometimes we may forget about this actually, but we touch these all of the time. So don't forget to disinfect your TV remotes, your DVD remotes, any type of remotes that you have. Make sure to disinfect the front and the back of them as well. Your refrigerator, we're always touching it and we're always opening and closing it. And so don't forget to disinfect your handles and any type of buttons that we're constantly pushing and touching, whether it's the ice maker machine, your freezer handles. Don't forget about those because they are full of germs from your hands. And your phone, oh my god, our phones are full of germs. We're constantly on our phones, we're constantly touching them after touching other things. So do not forget to disinfect your phone, your front, the back, all parts of it. And how about our cards? Whether it's a credit card, debit card, a store card, we're either handing it to somebody to swipe it, or we're swiping it ourselves and constantly touching it with our fingers. So don't forget to disinfect those. So a lot of times we forget about light switches. Don't forget your light switches, and make sure to disinfect those, because we're always touching those with our fingers all day long in all your rooms, as well as guests touch those as well as contractors touch them. So make sure to get those really nice and well. And our trash can, a lot of times we forget to actually clean out our trash cans. Our trash cans become so dirty from holding the trash, and spills and different things get in the bottom of them and they start to smell. I like to wipe mine out with some odor band. I spray the odor band in here and wipe it down and disinfect it as well. Another item not to forget about is our computer keyboards, computer mouse. They hold so many germs because we're constantly touching it. And so don't forget to wipe down these things that we always are touching with our fingers. Another thing we don't think about cleaning a lot is our toothbrush holder. All you really need is some soap and some water. And I use an old toothbrush. This is one of my clean toothbrushes. But yeah, I just use that to brush down up in there and to get all of that dirt out. So there you go. Those are some things that you really don't think about cleaning but need it the most. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And if I left something off, drop me a comment and let me know. Alright guys, until my next video.